In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the default header and footer in Wix Studio. This simple process will help you customize your website to better suit your unique style or branding needs. So, let's dive in and take control of your site's design. First, we need to access the Wix website editor where all the magic happens. You can find this on the Wix dashboard once you've logged into your account. It's the central hub for editing and managing your site, and where we'll be making the changes today. If you're unfamiliar, just navigate to your chosen project and click on Edit Site. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're in the website editor, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here you'll find the default header. Click on it to select this section. It's important to make sure that the section is highlighted so you know you're editing the right part of your site. When you've highlighted the header, the next step involves a little more precision. You will need to right-click directly on the header. This will bring up a list of options that are context-sensitive, meaning they will only show you actions relevant to the object you clicked on. This right-click menu is a great tool for streamlining your editing process, so it's worth getting familiar with it. In the context menu, look for Delete. Click it confidently. This action will remove the header from your page, giving you more flexibility and freedom with your design. If you're worried about making a mistake, fear not. Wix often provides a way to undo actions, so you can feel comfortable trying things and exploring your options. Now, let's move down the page to where the footer currently resides. You might need to scroll down a bit to locate this section, typically at the bottom of the page. Much like before, click on the footer to select it. With the footer selected, you will right-click on it, just as you did with the header. This allows you to bring up the same context-sensitive menu. These steps might feel repetitive, but consistency is key in web design, making sure you're making deliberate, careful choices at each stage. In the menu that appears after right-clicking, once again choose Delete. Removing the footer will provide more control over your site's layout and can be particularly useful for maintaining a minimalist aesthetic or for simplifying the navigation experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed both the header and footer from your Wix site. Remember, as you become more accustomed to these features, don't hesitate to explore and experiment. Customizing your site should be a reflection of your creativity and vision. We hope this guide has been helpful in achieving precisely that. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!